All right, let's dive into something that's been a huge headache for anyone making AI videos, keeping your character looking the same from one scene to the next. Well, today, I think we've hit the jackpot. I'm going to show you a super clever and completely free way to create long, seamless videos where your character has perfect continuity. You're going to love this.
You know the drill, right? You spend all this time crafting the perfect prompt, you get one amazing clip, and then for the next scene, the AI gives you your character's long-lost cousin. It's so frustrating. It just shatters the whole illusion. So how do we fix that without shelling out cash for some expensive tool?
So on the left, that's the old way, the usual headache. You're dealing with pricey software, you're trying to stitch together these choppy clips, and the characters are all over the place. But on the right, that's the promise of what we're doing today. A method that is 100% free, creates a single beautiful flow, and most importantly, gives you perfect character continuity. Let's get into how it's done.
So where do we start? You might think it's in an image generator, but nope, it all begins with words. We're going to build the entire foundation for our video right inside ChatGPT. This is where we get all of our text ready to go before we even touch a single pixel.
It's really just a simple three-step dance with ChatGPT. First, you just have it write your story for you. Easy. Second, you ask it to chop that story up into scenes and write a super detailed image prompt for every single one. And third, you have it create a matching video animation prompt for each of those images. And just like that, you've got the entire blueprint for your video.
Okay, blueprint in hand, we are ready to move from text to visuals. And for this, we're going to use the free AI tool from Meta. This is where we'll generate that crucial first clip that establishes what our character and their world actually looks like.
The process here is really straightforward. You're going to head over to Meta AI, click Create, and first things first, set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for that nice widescreen look. Now paste in that first image prompt from ChatGPT. Pick your favorite of the images it gives you, then click Custom Animate. All you have to do then is paste in your first video prompt, let it cook for a second, and download your clip. Simple, right? But now comes the secret sauce.
Okay, pay attention because this right here is the absolute core of this entire workflow. This is the simple, kind of brilliant trick that completely solves the consistency problem and lets us stitch our clips together perfectly.
So, you have to understand the specific problem we're getting around. Meta AI is great, but it's missing a key feature. There's no button to just grab the last frame of your video to start the next one. And without that, you get a hard, jarring cut between every single clip. But, yeah, we have a workaround.
And here it is. The solution is so simple, you're going to wonder why you didn't think of it. It's just a screenshot. You just download the clip you made, play it, pause it on the very last frame and take a screenshot, then you just hop right back into Meta AI and you upload that screenshot. That image is now the seed, the starting point for your next scene.
Let me just spell it out. You are literally feeding the end of your last scene back into the AI to become the beginning of the new one. As soon as that screenshot is uploaded, you just grab the video prompt for scene 2, paste it in, and click Generate. It's that simple action that guarantees the continuity.
And why is this so powerful? Well, think about it. The screenshot gives the AI a pixel-perfect reference. It's not guessing what your character looks like, it knows, down to the last detail. This completely eliminates those awkward jumps between clips. The character, the background, it all stays identical, creating this incredible illusion of one long, continuous shot.
So, you've done the loop, you've used the screenshot trick, and now you have a folder full of perfectly consistent clips. We're on the home stretch. It's time for the final phase, assembling your masterpiece. This visualizes that workflow loop perfectly. It's a rhythm you get into. Generate a clip, screenshot the end. Upload that screenshot, generate the next clip, screenshot its end. You just keep this cycle going. Generate, screenshot, upload for every scene in your story. Once you have them all, you take them to your editor. And honestly, this is the victory lap. You can use any video editor you want, and you just drop the clips onto the timeline one after the other. And because of our little screenshot trick, they will line up flawlessly. From there, it's all you. Add your voiceover, your music, your sound effects, and bring that story to life.
And now, let's talk about my favorite part of this whole thing, the cost. Everything we just went over, from ChatGPT for the prompts and scripts to Meta AI for the actual video generation, is 100% free. The most advanced tool you need is the screenshot function that's already built into your computer.
So this incredibly simple, totally free workflow really does put the power of long-form AI storytelling into everybody's hands. The barrier to entry?
it's gone. The question isn't how can I do this anymore? The only question left is, what story are you going to create?